Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to unlock the Huawei E557CS-321. I'll guide you through the complete unlocking process step by step, so make sure to watch until the end. As you can see, this device is currently locked and no SIM card is working in it. Before we proceed with the video, I want to clarify something important. We offer an online remote unlocking service. If you want to unlock your device, you can get it done remotely with us via AnyDesk. The device you're seeing unlocked in this video is also being unlocked online using AnyDesk. To unlock your device remotely, just contact us on the WhatsApp number provided in the description or on the screen. Now let's get back to the device. As you can see, the device status is locked here. You can also see the firmware and the model number. If you have a different firmware, don't worry, we can unlock that as well. So now we will flash the device. Flashing will take a bit of time, so we'll speed up the video. The flashing process is complete. As you can see on the screen, in DC Unlocker, the device is now showing as unlocked. Previously, the status here was locked. So now we'll open its page and show you to the final result. As you can see on the screen, our device has been successfully unlocked. Right now, the customer has inserted an empty eSIM, and as you can see, the signals are coming in perfectly. So, friends, as I mentioned earlier, we offer this remote online unlocking service. If you'd like to unlock your device, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The service charges are very reasonable. Just reach out on WhatsApp. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a future video. I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.